Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed. Today we'll talk about how to start a native plant garden. This video will explore everything you need and provide methods to care for a native plant garden, so stick around for that. Starting a native plant garden is a rewarding way to support local biodiversity, conserve resources, and create a sustainable landscape. Here's an easy guide to get you started. 1. Understand native plants. Native plants are species that have evolved in your area over time, adapting to local soils, climate, and wildlife. They typically require less water, fertilizer, and maintenance compared to non-native plants and provide essential habitat for pollinators and wildlife. 2. Plan your garden. Research native species. Use tools like the National Wildlife Federation's Native Plant Finder to identify plants suitable for your region. Site assessment. Evaluate your space for sunlight, soil type, and moisture to determine the best plants for each area. Design for bloom seasons. Select a mix of plants that bloom from spring to fall to continuously support pollinators and enhance garden aesthetics. Sketch your layout. Plan the placement of tall plants at the back or center with shorter ones in front for a layered look. Use graph paper to scale your design. 3. Prepare your space. Clear existing grass or weeds. Smother them with cardboard and mulch or manually remove them. No fertilizer needed. Most native plants thrive in natural soils without amendments. Add mulch. Apply 2 to 3 inches of organic mulch to retain moisture, regulate temperature, and reduce weeds. 4. Plant and maintain. Plant in spring or fall. These seasons offer ideal conditions for establishing roots. Group by needs. Place plants with similar water and light requirements together. Water until established. Once rooted, most native plants need little supplemental watering. Weed regularly. Remove invasive species to reduce competition. Prune and monitor. Trim as necessary and observe plant health to ensure thriving growth. 5. Enhance biodiversity. Include a variety of wildflowers, shrubs, and trees to provide layered habitats for different wildlife species. Let fallen leaves remain in certain areas to support overwintering insects. 6. Community involvement. Display educational signage, join gardening groups, and share tips and seeds with neighbors to encourage a wider adoption of native gardening practices. So there you have it. These steps will help you start a native plant garden. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure you drop them below and like this video. Till next time.